Would you like to elevate your living style? If so, this home is for you. This fully finished top to bottom raised bungalow features 2+2 bedrooms with a 3 modern washroom and a high-end finish throughout. Spacious, stylish, and perfect for families and investors. This home is located just minutes away from Heartland Town Center. You'll have shopping, dining, and everyday essential right at your doorsteps. Family would love the proximity to top-rated public and Catholic schools. The commuters will appreciate a quick access to the Highway 401. Don't miss this one, guys. For a private showing, give me a call at 647-461-6002. Thank you for watching.